So guys, alhamdulillah, we've landed in Samoa. It's a small, tiny island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. We don't know anyone here. We have no contacts whatsoever. And we're looking for someone called Dr. Stanley. We just saw him in an article online. Assalamu alaikum. Did I see you in the article? Is your name Dr. Stanley? Allahu Akbar, alhamdulillah. We come from a dawah organization. How is the dawah in Samoa? Is it very active, being done a lot?
It is a one-man army operation. I am doing all the work and trying to bring people in.
So we're here to help you, Sheikh. If there's anything we can do, we want to start the dawah with you. We want to bring our Jesus exhibition, inshallah.
Never seen an exhibition like this before. I am excited. Allah knows how my heart is beating with happiness. This is my Hartford PhD. My certificates in law.
Blackstone School of Law.
Well, you know William Blackstone?
Huh? Yeah.
This school is named after him.
Wow, so Daniel Blackstone.
This is the 5th degree black belt in Shorin Ryu.
Alright guys, so basically we have now, inshallah, alhamdulillah, put the ad out on TV1, which is the biggest TV channel in Samoa. 90% of the population watches it. We've got the newspaper ad done, alhamdulillah, and now we're going to go back to a second TV channel that's entertainment. This is mostly sports and stuff.
Okay, in the station with me, I've got a member from the Islam of Samoa. He's traveled all the way from the UK.
There's only one mosque in the entire country, so we thought, why not just open it up for the Samoans? Let them come and see what happens inside, you know? So
yes, I have been very intrigued about that.
Okay, so this is like bowing. Of all the prophets, we believe Jesus is still alive. We believe him as a great messenger. We believe Mary is the greatest woman in Islam.
Well, I'm actually quite shocked about everything.
O Jesus, son of Mary, did you say to people, worship me and my mother instead of God? Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah.
It is said that Samoa is the best kept secret in the world. And maybe it's true. Allah creates an opening for you to come. Religion came to this country from missionaries from London. Now you have come again to follow up and correct. So this is all the work of your donors.
Now that the dawah has started, don't allow it to stop. So click the button and donate now and help us to continue the dawah in Samoa and across the world. And please don't forget to share this video so people can learn about this amazing brother.